What's going on, y'all? This is Rashad from RashadBeats.com. Welcome back to another Beatnerd101 tutorial. And in today's tutorial, we're going to be doing something very, very special. We are going to be working on a really terrible beat. Yes, you heard me. We will be making a really terrible beat from scratch. Now, the reason why I'm coming up with this idea is because, first of all, I was thinking, why not? We got tutorials on here that show you how to make really professional beats, but let's have some fun. Let's really make a really terrible sounding beat just because we can, and it's all for the laughs and giggles. So let's go ahead and do that. So as you can see, I got my tempo set at 140. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to replace my sampler, and I'm going to use a stop plugin like Citrus, and we're going to just make the beat from scratch. Like I said, do not take this too seriously. This beat will be very, 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 very bad. But we're going to make it from scratch and see how it goes. So let's see what's up. Start with the melody. Alright, so we got a little melody going on, you know what I'm saying? And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add one more melody. So we're gonna really flush this beat out and really create it like like an actual professional beat, but it will not sound professional at all because that is not the purpose of this video. Alright, so we got two melodies going on, right? The best thing about it is it's on beat. That's like the only good thing. So now let's add a bass line, or actually let's add some drums a little bit. Start with the hi-hat. I'm gonna just fill it each 2 steps. Make it an 8-bar. I'm trying so hard not to laugh, but yeah, so we're making this, and then now let's throw an 808 in there. I'm gonna add one more sound, and then we're gonna wrap this terrible beat up, because I ain't gonna lie, the more that I make it, the more of a headache I'm getting. It's just hilarious. So I'm gonna try to make this final dang, can't use that. I'm gonna try to make this final counter melody make sense compared to the other ones, even though the other melodies really don't make sense. But I'm gonna try to make this last one make sense, just so we can have some type of redemption in the beat. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have one of the worst beats I have ever created in my life. It's all for the creative purpose. So now that we have basically our little body of melodies and our drum patterns, let's go ahead, split by channel, and we're going to map this out like a regular beat. bear with me. Like I said, this is all just, you know, don't take this too serious. But this is just all for the, you know, for the jokes. But let's see what we can do with this. So we duplicate everything, and now I'm gonna do this. See, that sound actually hard by itself. See, that don't sound bad. That's too easy. Since they split by fives, we have to let it ride like this. When them Sims come in, this sounds so bad. Let's see, break that down a little bit. Alright, now that my friends, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make one of the worst beats in FL Studio possible. And I'm gonna save this beat as what it's like what is this beat? Like, what exactly is this beat? We just don't know. We just know it sounds bad. So I'm gonna save this. It only has one redeeming quality, and it's the piano. That's the only redeeming quality. That's the only redeeming quality of this beat. But like I said, thank you guys for tuning in to another Beatnerd 101 tutorial. I know this video is just for the jokes, you know what I'm saying? But if you guys enjoyed this video in any way, shape, or form, please like, comment, and subscribe. And also be on the lookout for more of our professional tutorials on Beatnerd 101. And if you haven't already, you can get your hands on the Beatnerd 101 tutorial course, where we have over 10 plus videos that show you how to make beats from scratch. Not beats like this, but how to make actual professional beats from start to finish at FL Studio, with over 150 minutes worth of information that'll show you how to make beats. So make sure you get your hands on that. The link in the description will be below. Thank you for tuning in to another Beatnerd 101. Peace out. Rashad.